Every parent hears it at some point. I'm just bad at maths. Usually it's nothing to worry about, but for some children, numbers stay genuinely baffling no matter how hard they try. And there's a name for that: dyscalculia. It's like dyslexia, but for numbers, and it's far less well known. Here are the signs to watch for, and the good news about what helps. Before we dive in, here's what we'll cover. First, what dyscalculia actually is. Second, the signs to watch for in your child. And third, why an assessment matters and what genuinely helps. Let's get into it. Dyscalculia is a specific learning difficulty with numbers and maths. It's not about intelligence, and it's not about laziness. A child can be bright, hardworking and articulate, and still find number sense genuinely hard to build. Their brain processes quantity and numerical relationships differently. It's thought to affect roughly 1 in 20 people, which means there's likely a child with it in most classrooms, often undiagnosed, quietly deciding they're just dumb at maths. So what does it look like? In younger children, trouble learning to count, difficulty connecting a number to a quantity, struggling to recognize which of two numbers is bigger. As they get older, relying on fingers long after peers have stopped, finding mental arithmetic exhausting, mixing up signs and steps, trouble with time, money and estimating. And there's an emotional signature too: maths anxiety, tears over homework, avoidance, and a sinking belief that they're stupid, which they absolutely are not. If effort and good teaching aren't translating into progress, that gap is the thing to pay attention to. Here's why a proper assessment is worth it. First, it separates dyscalculia from other causes: a gap in teaching, anxiety, attention difficulties, or a broader learning profile, often using cognitive testing alongside math-specific measures. Second, and just as important, it changes the story your child tells about themselves. You have dyscalculia. Your brain handles numbers differently. And here's how we'll support it: is a world away from your bad at maths. One is a plan, the other is a wound, and plenty helps. Targeted, multi-sensory teaching that builds number sense from the ground up. Practical tools and reasonable adjustments at school. Extra time, permission to use aids, and protecting the child's confidence while they build skills. Children with dyscalculia can absolutely succeed. They just need the right on-ramp. So let's bring it together. Dyscalculia is a specific learning difficulty with numbers, like dyslexia but for maths, and it's not about intelligence or effort. Watch for a persistent gap between hard work and progress, finger counting long after peers stop, and maths anxiety. A proper assessment changes the story from bad at maths to a plan, and targeted, multi-sensory support genuinely helps. If you'd like to go deeper, you'll find related videos linked in the description below. There's a full guide to dyscalculia and assessment linked below. If your child's maths struggles worry you and you're in Sydney's Hills District, Potentialz Unlimited in Bella Vista offers learning and cognitive assessments. Details in the description. Subscribe for more.